Coming towards that time of year, pepper plants have been moved. They can sit in here for a minute, out the elements. Keep watering them, then decide whether I'm going to prune them back and keep them until next year or grow another lot from seed. These grew from seed in 1 year, so it does make me wonder if it's worth doing. There's still quite a few cherry tomatoes and stuff growing in here. This one will get cleared out when they've finished. They ain't very far away from finishing, but there's still some of those little Solano producing. They seem to produce about a gallon container full once a week at least, and I've done right the way through the summer. But today's project is in the old greenhouse. So over the last couple of days I've cleared out all the beef type tomatoes and the big plum tomatoes. They were all starting to get manky. They haven't flowered for weeks and weeks and weeks, so they've come on out, which is now giving me time to, I'll get this titivated and put some compost on the top or put some manure on the top, and I'll probably plant some brassicas and stuff in here to get us through the winter. One thing I do find that grows well in here is Swiss chard. Put some Swiss chard in now. January, February, when there's nothing else around, you just wander into the greenhouse and there's your Swiss chard. But this is the next little task, is onions from pips. If you look at that seed head, you can see those little pips in there. They call them pips. Just tiny onions, and it's quite a natural way to grow. And there's some that have fallen off. They're quite a good size. So what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to pot them up and then see if I can nurture them through the winter. So we've got some rubbishy old compost. Onions don't need anything too strong, especially for what I'm going to do. So this is just soaking up some water now. As soon as they soak right up to the top, I should go on and plant them. And then I'll keep you informed how they go on. Quite an interesting experiment. Keep on gardening.